What if you could experience your favorite films with sound that moves around you? Picture quality that rivals commercial theaters and comfort that surpasses them. At Denver Audio Video, we're not just installing home theaters, we're crafting experiences that bring families together and turn ordinary evenings into extraordinary memories. From crystal clear 8K projectors to heart-pounding Dolby Atmos sound systems, we design and install custom entertainment spaces that exceed expectations. Every project is unique because every dream is different. Whether you're upgrading your basement in Highlands Ranch or building a dedicated theater room in Cherry Creek, our expert team handles everything. Perfect acoustics, immersive sound, stunning visuals, all working together seamlessly. Imagine hosting the big game with a picture so clear you can see every blade of grass. Movie nights that feel like private premieres. Gaming sessions that transport you into another world. That's what professional home theater installation in Denver looks like when you work with the best. We've transformed hundreds of spaces across the Denver metro area, from Aurora to Lakewood, creating entertainment sanctuaries that blend seamlessly with your home style. Our solutions work with any budget, any space, and any vision. Don't just watch movies, experience them. Let Denver Audio Video bring the magic of cinema home to you.